Welcome to Zizoze TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
What you also use to say to Yoja Ayu and his team, they are dissolving the Ekiti State ESCO will not help you in any way. They are suspending people will not help you in any way. The battle line has been full drawn. And as I speak to you, we'll do everything legally possible to challenge any decision that we know is illegal. So don't think you can threaten people by saying solo blood are suspended. Rubbish. Completely rubbish. So we are above that level that you think you can threaten anybody, intimidate anybody. Whatever illegal decision you have taken, because we believe in the rule of law, because we believe our party respects or should respect their constitution. So we are waiting. We are waiting for you to announce my own and not any other of my friends. Then, like I've said, when a man says he will not sleep, him too, will he sleep? Will I you sleep? Will his boss sleep? So don't worry, we have the capacity to pay back. We have the capacity to tell you that enough is enough. So my dear people, listen to your leaders when they come to you and direct you on what to do, because we vote for people who love Rivers State. We vote for people who mean well for us.